Welcome to my channel Plants Grow Green. Today I am going to explain you about one of the rare miracle plants called Moringa. All parts of Moringa or drumstick are extremely nutritious. The seeds, flowers, leaves and sticks are also edible. It has powerful properties that combat different ailments in our system. Moringa is most commonly found in powdered form. Some of the benefits for health. It keeps your heart healthy. Boosts energy. Moringa will certainly boost your child's energy level. Energy is needed to fuel child's growth. The nutrients in Moringa helps in the growth of muscles and bones. It promotes brain development. It improves the immunity of your child to fight with common bacteria and viruses. Promotes metabolism. Although the metabolism of your child growth is at its peak, if child faces any sort of physical or emotional complication, the metabolism level drops instantly. Moringa powder can help your child for precious eyesight. Then you can use Moringa as it is a mineral-rich vegetable. Great for diabetes. The various vitamins and minerals present in Moringa stick help in maintaining an optimum blood glucose level, and hence it's highly recommended for people with diabetes. Reduce pimple. It is blood purifier which helps in flushing out all the impurities present in your blood. Good for health and skin. It is rich in vitamin B, vitamin A, folic acid and other essential nutrients which will help you in achieving lustrous hair. It will help you to get rid of all the rashes and irritations. Prevents the outburst of chickenpox. It has medicinal properties which can provide immunity against the chickenpox. Heals wounds and cuts. Apply Moringa powder on cuts and wounds will heal faster than normal. Good for healthy kidney and liver. Moringa contains amino acid. It ensures strong cell development. Can help mothers to produce more breast milk. Along with the increased quantity, there is evidence that the breast milk is also more nutritious. Research shows that it's generally okay to eat the leaves or young seed pods, and leaf extracts may also be safe. But it can be dangerous to eat bark or pulp, especially to pregnant women. Chemicals in the bark may make the uterus contract and lead to a miscarriage. In the market, it is available in the form of powder, pill, oil, or tea supplements.